Welcome to this session, Introduction to MATLAB. This session is prepared supporting the Basic Simulation Lab course in second year first semester for Electronics and Communication Engineering. The basic objective of this lab is to simulate various concepts in signals and systems and probability theory using MATLAB or its equivalent. Here are the course outcomes of Basic Simulation Lab. At the end of this course, the student will be able to perform various operations on signals, verify the properties of LTI system and its response for different inputs, analyze the signals using various transforms, analyze the characteristics of signals in noisy environment. I am glad to share that our organization has provided campus-wide license to accelerate learning and research with MATLAB and Simulink. This campus-wide license provides unlimited use of MATLAB and Simulink products to all students, faculty, staff, and researchers on and off campus on any device. This license also provides a wide range of resources to support teaching, learning, and collaborative research. Using MATLAB, we can analyze, explore, and visualize data, develop algorithms, create models, and develop applications including graphical user interface. MATLAB supports us to take the ideas from the research to production by deploying to enterprise applications and embedded devices, as well as integrating with Simulink and model-based design. Do you know that millions of engineers and scientists in industry and academia use MATLAB? You can use MATLAB for a wide range of applications such as signal processing and communications, image and video processing, deep learning and machine learning, and many more. MATLAB, with a wide range of product capabilities, provide solutions for different applications or industry. You can see various applications listed here, and some of them are computational biology, control systems, data science, deep learning, embedded systems, etc. You can see here various industries that incorporate MATLAB in their functionality. Some of them are aerospace and defense, automotive, biological sciences, biotech and pharmaceutical industry, communications, etc. With the new tools for pre-processing and analyzing data, writing scripts and algorithms, building apps, and team-based software development, MATLAB is providing optimized solutions for emerging trends in technologies like robotics, Internet of Things, shortly IoT, autonomous driving, machine learning, Industry 4.0, and precision medicine. MATLAB is a product from MathWorks and is specifically designed for engineers and scientists. MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory, where different operations performed here are observed as operations between matrices in computational mathematics. MATLAB supports us by providing built-in functions in toolboxes to perform various operations. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. The current release available is R2020A. The toolboxes available in MATLAB are categorized as signal processing and wireless communications, image processing and computer vision, control systems, etc. For example, these are the set of toolboxes under signal processing and wireless communications category. Toolboxes under image processing and computer vision are listed here. A set of toolboxes under control systems category can be seen here. Like this, every category contains different toolboxes, and every toolbox contains different built-in functions. You can explore the complete documentation of all the toolboxes by visiting the Help option in MATLAB. You can open the MATLAB application by using this icon. The default layout of the MATLAB consists 4 windows such as current folder, command window, workspace, and command history. These windows are docked into a single window called MATLAB Desktop. Using this current folder, you can access files stored anywhere in the system. The command window consists of a prompt, beside which the commands can be entered and executed. We can recall previous commands by pressing the up and down arrow keys in the command window. Different types of variables defined in command window or editor window, once executed, will appear in the workspace. Using command history, we can view past commands entered in the command window. We can also evaluate selected commands in command history. And there is an option to save the whole session of commands in the command history. A set of commands can be executed at a time in the form of an M file. These M files can be script files or function files which can be created using this M file editor. Different graphic functions are used to create new figure windows. We can view the result plots using this window. The values of the variables can be changed or updated using the variable editor. This variable editor can be opened by double-clicking a variable in the workspace. The three file types supported by MATLAB are M files, MAT files, and MEX files. Creating live scripts is also possible here. As already mentioned earlier, that M files are script files or function files written in the M file editor with the file extension of .m. The data available in workspace can be stored into a file with an extension of .mat, and this mat file can be loaded into any script so that the variables can be reused. MEX files are MATLAB executable files with file extension .mex. These files are the subroutines written in C or C++ that can be dynamically loaded, allowing non-MATLAB load to be invoked from within MATLAB. We can create interactive documents called live scripts that combine text, code, and output. These live script files have .mlx extension. MATLAB apps are the interactive applications written to perform technical computing tasks. These apps are available in each product category. These apps can be found in the apps menu, and so many apps that can be readily used are available under different categories as shown here. Now introducing Simulink. It is a model-based approach for different real-time simulations. This Simulink is integrated in MATLAB. The major advantage of Simulink is that we can design and simulate the system before moving to hardware. Here we can explore and implement designs without having to write C, C++ or any other HDL code. The Simulink can be used to model the system in blocks and simulate it. We can continuously test the systems under different conditions and can validate the design with hardware in the loop testing. We can automatically generate C or HDL code from the models simulated. Simulink has comprehensive block library which can be used to simulate linear, nonlinear, or discrete systems. As already mentioned, C codes can be generated from Simulink models for embedded applications and rapid prototyping of control systems. Using MATLAB and Simulink together, we can combine textual and graphical programming to design the system in a simulation environment. Students can make out use of this MATLAB Online, a cloud facility of MATLAB for learning or practice without installing it on the system. One thing required here is that students should get registered in MathWorks with the institute mail ID. This is a MATLAB desktop that appears in MATLAB Online. We can connect to MATLAB Cloud from iPhone, iPad, or any other Android device using MATLAB mobile application. MATLAB mobile can be downloaded and installed from either Google Play Store or Apple App Store depending on the device. It is always good to know the open source substitute for scientific software like MATLAB. One of them is Scilab and the other is Octave. Scilab is used for numerical computations, providing a powerful computing environment for engineering and scientific applications. Octave is a scientific programming language with powerful mathematics-oriented syntax with built-in plotting and visualization tools. Come, let's learn MATLAB starting with MATLAB On-Ramp. This is a 2-hour introductory course with commonly used features and workflows that can be accessed through web browser. Students who complete the course will earn the basic knowledge of how to use MathHub and also a course completion certificate from MathWorks. Thank you. Have a happy coding.